Hard up 360. 180. Oh! That's okay. Nice! Short distance. Oh, second there. That's right there. Mark Diaz from Camarines Sur. Oh, woo! First attempt for DeAndre.
Tira ni Francis eh.
20 seconds. That's right there, Mickey. Mickey, go ahead. Mamaya, warm up pa lang yan. 180 half up. Oh, with an 80. Woo! So, time for that. You have 7 more minutes of jump session. First put down. Oh, 180. Oh, that's right there, Jerry. Jerry from Orsay. Jerry Peñalosa. 100 tons. Yeah, 360. Oh! Jerry on first up. 180. Okay, next, Mark Gualo. Yung technique. Oh, attempted 180 to people over the grind box. Oh, and turned down up the grind box. Uy, 360! Oy, Mark Diaz! Ito na yan!
Wow! Sablay. Sakay! Yun ka! Ubusan na din ang oras mo. Utang tayo. Sayang.
Mickey, attempted front flip over the lunch box. Attempted murder.
Kira ko lang, Ber.
Okay, 5 minutes pa. 5 minutes jump session.
Uyahan.
Okay, 180. Top tap. 180.
I'm a
front
Fred.
flip. Very good. Very technical.
I'm a Fred. Bansang grip ka.
180. Oh, 180 half top. Wow! Okay, next. Jerry. 40 seconds. Right now. Oh, launch it up. Basic. Yes, Jerry. Jerry, win at 80. Oh, tumiti kita. Cheater. Okay. 25 seconds. 25 seconds. Uy, cheated. Oy, second bail. First bail. First bail pala. Okay. 10 seconds, pre. 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, Mark Gualo from Camarines Sur. Oh, bar spin attempted. Alright, on the box jump. Hey, 360 at 270. 270. Watch out. Oh, kulang ni 30 ito ba? Kulang ni 30. Okay. 15 seconds, box jump. Oh, nice. 180 drop. Oh, next, Mark Diaz. Oh, pulang si Mark Diaz.
Wow! Si Raman dyan. transition
Line
gani
drops,
dyan.
no footed manual. Woohoo! Dalawang video, send it to video. Off 180. Oy, attempted. Oh, one more man. 180. Nice. Okay, next rider. Jerry Peñalosa weighing 1,000 tons from Orsay, Legazpi City. Yeah! Woo! Hey! Bunny up. In April. Parang nakabidyo. Sayang. Oy. 30 seconds. 180. Nice. Really smooth.
Tanggang drill kung para
Smooth, silky.
sibol ako dito.
Okay, 15 seconds, sir.
Dati ko planuhan ko kaya.
15 seconds.
Kaliman ba ba? Wala lang.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Okay, last one for everyone. Mark Gualo. Mark Gualo. Last
Gualo.
one. For everyone. Mark Gualo from OK. Ooh, attempted on the full fight yet. Alright. Mark Gualo from Camarines Sur. Yeah. Cheers, not kills, baby. Oh, 180. Nice. Alright. Okay. Oh! Okay, got 25 seconds more. 25 seconds, eh? Nice. 20. Okay. Uy! Up and over. Front slide. Okay, 30 seconds. 10 seconds. 10 seconds more. 10 seconds. Okay na. Alright, next rider. Mark Diaz. Open up for next one. Woo!
Ginaganan si Francis.
Friends sa takas, Tigrel right. Grenel right. Oh! Next rider. Mickey nagamit ang Bonnie Minso. Good. Attempted front flip. Yes.
Baka malabas ako.
10 seconds. Oh! Okay, next rider, last rider. Jerry from Orsay.
Paulit-ulit lang.
Trap gabon.
Okay,
Trap gabon tambay niya.